Happy day, children. The next topic in our multiplication chapter is estimating products. Rounding can be used to estimate products, that is, rounding off to the nearest 10, hundreds, and thousands. That is used to estimate the product also, as we done estimation in addition and subtraction. By rounding off to the nearest 10. So first topic is we'll round off the numbers to nearest 10 and we'll find the estimation product. The question is 65 into 32. So the same way as we did multiplication of 2-digit numbers. First we'll multiply with 2 and then with 30. Then we'll find the product. It is 2080. Now let us start the estimation product. First we are going to round off 65. In the 10 series, 65 comes between 60 and 70. And 65 is the exact middle number which is rounded off to the next number, that is 70. The next number is 32. 32 in the 10 series will come between 30 and 40. And it is closer to 30, so it will be rounded off to 30. Now we are going to multiply 70 into 30 and we are getting the answer as 2100. So the actual product is 2080 and the estimation is 2100. Both are differing by only 20. Next is by rounding off to the nearest 100. So the actual sum is 538 into 659. And the product we have got is 3,54,542. Now we'll do the estimation. The number 538 in the 100 series, it will come between 500 and 600. And it is closer to 500. So we will round off 538 to 500. And the next number 659 comes between 600 and 700. And here it is closer to 700. So we are going to estimate 659 to 700. And the product we are getting here is 3,50,000. So here 4,542 is the difference between the actual and the estimation. The next topic is rounding up one number and rounding down the other number. The question here is 48 into 38. So the number 40 in the 10 series, it will come between 40 and 50. And 48 is closer to 50 and we are rounding off to 50. The number 38 in the 10 series comes between 30 and 40. 38 is actually closer to 40. But here we are going to round up one number and round down the other number. So 38, even if it is closer to 40, it is rounded down, which means the before number, that is 30. So now we are going to find the product. 48 into 38. It is 1824. And the estimation is 50 into 30. That is 1500. So this is the difference between the actual and the estimation, that is 324. Yes, that's all with multiplication chapter. Have a nice day.